Good morning, grade 3. Our lesson today, lesson 85. Today, your goal is to locate proper fractions on a number line. We will brackets put proper fraction on a number line. For example, if we have proper fraction 2 forces, put this fraction in on number line 0, 1. Divided this number line into 4 equal parts like this. First fraction force, second 2 forces and 3 forces and 4 forces. Represent this proper fraction on this number line 2 over 4. This in number line. When we use number line to show fraction, it's important that the lines breaking up the parts are equally spaced like this. This part equal this part equal this part and last part equal all parts. Open your book, page 86. Look at the student work. Blue, identify what the student did correctly and what they did wrong. Then solve the problem on your own. Write the following number in expanded form. 1846 students. Students response 1846 equal 1000 plus 800 plus 40 10 plus 6 1. What did the student do right? He write 1000 and 800 and 6 ones. What did they do wrong? He write 40 10. 40 10. It's wrong. Why do you think the students made this error? You're saying solve the problem on your own. Explain your saying. Write this number 1846 equal 1000 plus 800 plus 4 tenths not 40 tenths plus 6 ones. Next page. For each problem, Blue complete the following steps. Number 1, divide the number lines into the given number of equal parts. Number 2, label all of the fractions on the number line. Number 3, circle the studied proper fraction on the number line. Number 4, draw a model of the circled fraction using a shape or a set. First, divide the number line into forces. So we can divide this number line into 4 equal parts like this. Divided this line, number line into halves, and first half divided into halves and second half divided into halves. So write first mark 0 force and 1 force, 2 forces, 3 forces and 4 forces. Okay? What is the fraction of 3 forces? Circle 3 forces. So we can circle this fraction. Draw model of the circle fractions using a shape or a set. We can drawing any shape. For example, square divided into 4 equal parts and shaded of 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So this shape represents this fraction 3 forces. Second one, divide the number line into halves. So we will divide the number line into equal parts like this. First, write 0 over 2 and half and 2 halves. Okay, circle half this fraction. Draw model this one whole divided into 2 equal parts and shaded of 1 part like this. This part is called half. First step, divide the number line into sixes. So when we divide it in this number line into 6 equal parts like this. First half part divided into 3 equal parts and second half divided into 3 equal parts. Write 0 sixes, 1 sixes, 2 sixes, 3 sixes, 4 sixes, 5 sixes and 6 sixes. Okay? Circle 4 sixes. We circle of the fraction 4 sixes. Draw model. For example, draw circle, then divide it into sixes or 6 equal parts and shaded 4 parts because the number in numerator equal 4 first part and second part, third part, fourth part. Divided the number line into thirds. So we will divide this number line into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and 3. Write 0 over 3, 1 over 3, 2 over 3, and 3 over 3. Circle the fraction 2/3, this fraction, and draw model this circle. Draw 3 parts, so divided the circle into 3 equal parts, and and shaded 2 parts in this circle, 1 and 2. Next page, divided the number line into fifth circle. So, circle 2 fifths. So, we will divide this number line into 5 equal parts. First, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write from 0, this fraction, 0. Fifth, 1, fifth, 2, fifth, 3, fifth, 4, fifth, 5 fifths. Okay? And circle 2 fifths, this fraction of 2 fifths. And draw a model. This model divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we shaded 2 parts in this model because the numerator is 2. Next, divide the number line into fourths. So, will we divide this number line into 4 equal parts? Like this. Divide this number first, divide this number into halves equal. And divide this again. Divide this number line into equal parts. First, half divided into equal parts, and second half divided into equal parts. So, write from 0, 0 over 4, fourths, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths. Okay? And circle the fourth. So, this fraction of fourths. And drawing this model like as you like. For example, circle, divided this circle into 4 equal parts and shaded 1 part because the numerator equal 1. First, shaded 1 part only. Okay. Challenge. Choose 2 fractions and write them into boxes. To the left, divide the number line for your fractions. Label the fraction on the number line and circle the fractions you choose. Finally, draw a model for your fractions using a shape or a set. First, change first fraction, for example, any fraction as you like. 3/6. We will divide this number line into 6 equal parts like this. Divided this number line into 2 equal parts and divide first part into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. And second part divided into 3 equal parts like this. And write the proper fraction: 0/6, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. Okay? And circle the fraction 3/6 like this. And draw model for your fraction using shape or a set like this. Draw, for example, draw مثلا divided this part into 6 equal parts. First divided into 2 halves, and first half divided into 3 equal parts, and second half divided into 3 equal parts. So we will shade it of 3 parts because the numerator equal 3. First part, shade it, and second, and third. Second fraction, you change any fraction, for example, 4/8. We will divide this number line into 8 equal parts. First, divided this number line into 2 halves equal, and first half divided into 2 equal parts, and second half divided into 2 equal parts, and divided this part, first part, into 2 equal parts, and second part divided into equal parts, third half divided into equal parts, and last part divided into equal parts. And write this proper fraction: 0, 8, 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, and 8, 8. Okay? And circle the fraction for 8. We will circle this fraction and draw model, for example, 6. Circle. First circle 1, count with me: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Okay? And how many circles shaded this circle? 4, because the numerator equal 4. First 1, 2, 3,